Hi there. Have you ever imagined writing and running Python code in HTML? Yes, it is possible. At PyCon US 2022, Anaconda CEO Peter Wang announced a new technology called PyScript that allows users to write in Python in HTML. So in this session, I'm going to share you some of the important concepts of PyScript and also take you through a demo by using PyScript. So let us deep dive into it.
Now I'll take you through some of the core components which are mentioned in the anaconda.com blog. This Python script has following core components. It can be run on the browser. Uh, it can include most popular packages of Python such as NumPy, Pandas, and many more. Uh, it has a bidirectional communication with JavaScript, objects and namespaces, and also user can define what packages and files to include in the page for running it. And also it has readily available UI components such as buttons, containers, and many more. And it is also a flexible framework. Now coming to the stack of PyScript, it is built on the Pyodide. You can go through the link I shared in the description. You can just learn more about what is Pyodide and the web assembly. Now, coming to like what is PyScript today, the PyScript currently it is under very much beginning stage, and it is like unstable and limited, but it will work. Yes, I have tested it by writing a program in Python using PyScript, and it is working. So you can go through this link. It has various examples using PyScript and the Python coding, to develop a simple clock and also to use matplotlib and various modules. Just go through this. You will just get the complete understanding of how to leverage PyScript in HTML. Next, I'm going to show you uh, how to install PyScript and how to write the code, Python code, and how to execute it. Okay, just you type pyscript.net in the browser and you will land on to this page. Okay, from here there are two options. You can either download PyScript or you just include these two lines, the highlighted lines in the HTML head tag and start using the PyScript. So I feel embedding these two lines in HTML page is simple. Okay, but you can choose appropriately. So whatever you feel good, you just go with it. After including these two lines in the head section of HTML page, what can you do is we need to write the Python code in between this py hyphen script tag. So then our code will be ready for execution. Now simply click on that HTML place and the Python code will get executed. Uh, Now I'll show the code written by me for demo purpose. I'll walk you through it and we'll execute that. This is this sample HTML code of which has a PyScript tag and the Python code. I'll walk you through this one. Uh, Under the head section, as I told you earlier, you need to include these two lines for start using PyScript, line number 4 and line number 5. Once it is done, so under this py-script tag, just need to write the Python program. Normally how we write in any IDE, in the same fashion we need to write the Python code, and care must be taken, the same indentation should be present, and like we need to follow the same semantics of the Python code while writing. I have imported date and the time modules, and next I'm printing a statement. After that, I'm using a for loop. I'm trying to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Later, I'm trying to print the current date and the time. Here, the intention is to see like whether PyScript is able to import the date time module. Okay. Next, I'm trying to make a list of multiples of 2. Here, I'm making use of list compression. So here I'm trying to check whether list compressions are working or not. So let us see in the demo whether it's going to work or not. The line number 22 says that iterate from using for loop, iterate from 1 to 10, and then make each element multiple of 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Next, I'm trying to find odd numbers till 20. Here also I'm using the list compressions along with the conditional expression. I'm iterating through the loop. For each element, I'm for each number, dividing it by 2. If it is not equal to 0, then make it as an element of the list. So like this, the odd numbers will be found. This is the logic, Python logic, which I have written under the py-script tag. The remaining are the usual HTML tags. Okay, the head tag, body tag, H1 is the heading one, BR is the line break. Okay, so this is a simple HTML code along with the Python code. So I'm going to just execute this one. See, the Python code in the HTML script got executed, and you can see it got printed the name, and it got printed the numbers from 1 to 10. It just printed the date and the timestamp, and also the list with multiples of 2 till 20 and odd numbers till 20. So like this, we will be able to execute Python code in HTML using PyScript. This is a very new innovation by the Anaconda team. Really thanks to them for bringing up this new technology, which will make the life of Pythonistas easy while developing the web pages. So hope you like this video. Keep watching uh, this channel for more interesting videos. Stay safe. Bye.